In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a story and add story points in Tableau. Whether you're a Tableau novice or a seasoned user eager to refine your storytelling skills, this guide will walk you through each step with ease and clarity. To get started on our journey to mastering story creation in Tableau, you first need to open your preferred web browser and search for Tableau. Once you've located the official Tableau site, you'll want to log in with your existing account or sign up if you're a new user. This step is crucial as you need to access your workspace to proceed with building your story. After you've signed in, head over to your Tableau workbook and open the worksheet you wish to incorporate into your story. With your worksheet at the ready, locate and click on the New Story tab. This action sets the foundation for what will become a compelling narrative through your data. Now, focus your attention on the lower left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find options to choose a size for your story. Selecting the appropriate size is important as it affects how your story is viewed and experienced by your audience. Tableau provides several preset options, but ensure you select the one that best suits your objectives. By default, Tableau assigns a title to your story based on your sheet name. It's a small detail, but knowing this helps you understand how Tableau organizes elements as you build. Feel free to modify this title to better align with the theme or purpose of your story if needed. To begin piecing together your narrative, double-click on the sheet you want to use from the left-hand side of your screen. This action adds the sheet to your story as a story point. A story in Tableau is typically comprised of several story points, each showcasing different aspects or stages of your dataset. These story points are crucial as they guide your audience through the narrative, helping them understand the insights you're presenting. Now that you've added a story point, the next step is to add a caption. Click Add a Caption to summarize the story point succinctly. Captions are like the headlines of your story. They offer context and highlight the key takeaway of each point. A well-thought-out caption can significantly enhance the interpretability of the data being showcased, making the narrative more compelling and engaging. As you continue to add more story points, repeat these actions, selecting sheets, adding them to your story, and crafting thoughtful captions. This process allows you to weave together a coherent story that not only showcases your data, but also tells a narrative your audience can easily follow and appreciate. Feel free to experiment and adjust as you work through your story. The beauty of Tableau is in its flexibility, allowing you to tailor your narrative to precisely convey the message you aim to communicate. And there you have it, your guide to creating a compelling story in Tableau, complete with insightful stories.